Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Tableau using OAuth for secure analytics. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Tableau using OAuth, start by accessing your Tableau server. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to use OAuth for authentication. Begin by logging into your Tableau server as an administrator. Navigate to the Settings section for your Tableau server. Locate the Authentication tab in the Settings menu. Select the option for OAuth authentication. You may need to register your application in the OAuth Providers console. Follow the prompts to create a new application and gather essential credentials. These credentials typically include a client ID and a client secret. Ensure you set the correct redirect URL, which Tableau will use for authentication. Next, configure your Tableau server to accept these OAuth credentials. Enter the client ID and client secret into the appropriate fields in the Tableau server settings. You may also need to specify additional OAuth parameters depending on your provider. Once all information is correctly entered, save your settings. Proceed to test the OAuth connection by attempting to log in with the configured credentials. Verify that the authentication process redirects correctly to the OAuth provider. If successful, you should gain access to your Tableau resources securely. For troubleshooting, review any error messages that appear during the authentication process. You can consult the documentation for both Tableau and your OAuth provider for additional guidance. With successful authentication, you are now ready to utilize Tableau for secure analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.